Hello and welcome to another unboxing of our quarterly subscription, the big one. And this quarter, our big one is called Paper Vision Magic, and it is all about vision boarding in your journal. So before I continue, this is going to contain all the spoilers. It is a total unboxing of this box. So if you don't want to see what's inside, now is the time to stop the video. So with that said, I'm going to sit down and we're going to unbox the Paper Vision Magic box. So I'm going to slice these just to make it a little bit easier. Yours will obviously have your address on it. Turn it upside down and see if we can rip this off in one piece. Beautiful. Okay. So before I open this up, one of the big differences with this box is that it also includes a workshop. So we will be doing a interactive workshop on the 4th of January. Kate and myself will both be live and we'll be streaming as we set up our vision boards, and only the people that have purchase this box, subscribe to the big one, will have invitations to that live stream. So it is exclusive to the box. So let's take a look inside. We've got something very different to normal this time, in that we've created this folder. Let's get rid of the box. So the Paper Vision Magic folder, have a little look. Isn't it pretty? It's got our logo on the back, it's got the checkerboard and the scalloped edge frame and the Paper Vision Magic font. And then inside the folder, you will find instructions on how to make a vision board. We've got a QR code to our resources, and in there you'll find a whole bunch of blog posts for vision boarding. And some top tips down the side there. I'm going to move these bits out of the way while we have a look at what's in the folder, and then we'll go and take a look at the chunkier pieces. So first up, we've got this postcard. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. And I'm just going to cover up the QR code. And this is where the link for the live stream will be. We'll also send it out to by email to everyone that has purchased the box, but you've got the QR code there, and a few steps of how to prepare for the live stream so that you're ready to join in the workshop and set up your vision board in your 2026 journal. We've then got our Q1 planning envelope, and you get this in every single big one. And I should have said before I started this that the big one is our quarterly subscription by Daisy. And the difference between our quarterly subscription and our monthly subscription is that the quarterly is basically a complete surprise. The content's a surprise, there's no set items, and we use it to explore a concept, a self-development or self-care concept within the scope of the journal. So this quarter we are looking at vision boarding. So the quarterly planning kit involves a quarterly planning full page sticker sheet, so you can stick that whole thing into your journal, and then 3 theme planners for planning the theme in your journal. So you've got somewhere to put your theme name, the fonts you're going to use, the colour scheme, what stencils or supplies you're going to use, and some swatches of washi tape. And these are all full page sticker sheets, so they will go straight into your journal if you wish. So that is our quarterly planning kit. We've then got what we have named Place, Trace, Create, and this is our stencils for the quarter. Got the other one that's in there. I'm just covering, I've got a big cut on the back of my hand because my cat attacked me in the middle of the night. Love him. So we've got a font stencil, and this is the font that you've seen. It's this one here, this funky font that's got like little X's instead of the holes. It's this one. There's only one case for this font, so this is it. Ta-da! And then the holes are at the bottom there. And you find that you've got the numbers on there too, because you need the numbers. And then the other stencil that we've got is a 2026 giant font stencil, just for the year, with little holes that go in the O and the 6. And that's to put in the middle of your vision board so that you can kind of go around it with your pictures and things. So that's our stencils, 2 different stencils. We then have, oops, sorry, I shouldn't have showed you that. Peel, stick, smile. So all of our sort of headers for our envelopes follow the Paper Vision Magic formatting. Really hope you're going to like these because I love them. You've got a whole sheet of little alphabet stickers. Each one is one little square there. So you can add titles to your vision board. So maybe you want to get outside more, you can add the word outside or whatever you feel. And then we've got one that's a slightly larger scale. So that's the 2 scales. Full alphabet, as you can see. And then we've also got, oh my god, these are adorable. Let me open them up. I'll show you them first. They are vinyl glittery vision board stickers. You get 8. Let me show you. So you've got life. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got like a glittery effect on it. You've got self-care. You've got home. Oop. You've got work. Can you see the effect? You've got travel. Cute. You've got hobbies. You've got health. And then you've got goals, which is the 8 sort of headers, again for your vision board. I'll grab those and put them back in their little packet so I don't use them. So I will be using this kit in our workshop. So that's our sticker selection. Ooh. And then we've also got 3 sheets of kind of vision board style aesthetic pictures that you can, they cover all different sorts of things. Let me show you. You've got like balloons, you like cooking, crafting, exercising, getting outside, reading more. And then these ones are, again, ooh, that's upside down, like travel, relaxing, plants. We've tried to give it a real mix so it sort of covers everything. And then on the reverse of those, you've got some patterned papers. So if, for example, this one doesn't speak to you, it's not going to be on your vision board, you can use the reverse side of that as a bit of patterned scrapbook paper, so no waste. And then we would definitely encourage that you search for your own pictures, and that's all outlined step by step on here, that you would brainstorm the areas of your life, what you want to achieve, what kind of lifestyle you want, what changes you want to make, and then collect images and words that speak to you and represent what your vision is. And then within our workshop, we're going to be creating and laying it all out and creating the vision board. So that's those items, but we're not finished yet. There's actually quite a lot more. So we've got this little package. And here you have not 1, but 2 washi tapes. So you'll see the first one. Let's see if I can get into it. is this sort of pink and blue striped washi tape, really versatile, use that loads. I'm going to leave that there so you can see it. And then the second one, again, we've gone with like maximum versatility in these tapes, so they won't just be used for this project, you can use them for lots of things. It's a lovely scallop and they work really nicely together. They also, as with all of our quarters of our subscription boxes, these tapes work across all of the theme box subscriptions for the quarter, so you can kind of maximise how you chop and change those. And then we've also included a glue roller to help you sticking the photos that you get into your journal to make your vision board. So that's another couple of items. But wait, there's more. Hold on. Ooh, what should I do next? Okay, I'm going to do this. So this little item is a set of tweezers for helping you place your images, and specifically the smaller of those stickers. Using tweezers to place them is going to be so much easier. So it's a little box, it's got the Ipsy Daisy logo on it, and then you get 2 tweezers. You get a curved nose tweezer, which is like this, and you get a straight nose tweezer. So whatever you find easier you can use, and they've got their own little box so that when you stick your hand in your pencil case you don't poke yourself with your tweezers, which I do frequently. These have got a little case for them, so you've got those. And then last but not least, you've got a set of craft scissors, but they're craft scissors with a difference. Let me show you. Hold on. Oh, I'm having such a hard time opening boxes today. Ooh. They are Kuretake, so not just any old brand. This is a brand renowned in the journaling community. It's a Japanese brand, good quality, and they are scalloped craft scissors. Can you see? So let me show you with a piece of scrapbook paper. When you cut with these, everything has a scalloped edge. Look at that. Cool, right? I think the dots is confusing it. There you go, that's better. So you can cut these pictures out from here using your scallop scissors for a little extra design dimension. So you've got that. So this quarter we have gone big with what's in this box. You've got tons in there. You've got 2 sheets of stickers, 8 vinyl stickers, 2 washi tapes, 2 stencils, 2 pairs of tweezers, a set of scissors, some glue, 3 sheets of sort of vision boarding images, a folder, postcard, 4 full-page quarterly planning stickers. It's huge. So we really hope you like it. I love this quarter. I love the colours, I love the whole aesthetic, and I'm really looking forward to the workshop that we've got planned. We do currently have some boxes left. Any new subscribers before the end of December will receive this box and will get access to our workshop on the 4th of January. If you're not available on the 4th of January, you will be able to watch the workshop back via the QR code on the postcard. But we very much encourage you to collect your pictures, come on the workshop and create your vision board along with us. It's going to be really good fun. And yeah, I'd love to know, what is your favourite part of this box? What are you most looking forward to using? So drop me a little comment below with, yeah, what your favourite thing is in this big bundle of goodness, and what you're looking forward to manifesting for 2026. Thank you for watching this unboxing. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and I will catch you again in the next one. Take care. Bye bye bye.